Hello. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I feel sad because I don't like to wake up early. Too. Later, I go work in Turbo. I feel angry because I live so far to my job. I have breakfast in the office and I feel because my mom made me and delicious breakfast. In the afternoon, I have a snack with my partners, and I like it so much to spend with time. Then I get home at 6 o'clock p.m. I feel tired because I was out of my house all day. Finally, I started online and do homework with Catherine. I feel content. Thank you.